I've been at this for about over 50 years, actually. I grew up in the business. I'm a noted expert in the industry. In fact, I was the standards chair that helped write the third edition of our industry standards.
I know back then when I was just barely starting, you gave me so much advice the first time I met you. As an expert, what would be the advice that you can give a homeowner when they're looking to hire a restoration company?
Well, number one, make sure they're trained. Two, that they know what S500 is all about. S500 is the standard of care. And if a company is following that, you know that they're doing what the industry has accepted as the right way to do something. We have lots of people out there, like they buy equipment and they call themselves a professional.
Right.
And that's sad, because people right now, when there's water in the home, they're traumatized. It's the worst thing that's happened in their life.
Right.
And the worst thing you can do is have an uneducated, ill-equipped person to come in and start doing things in someone's home. So finding someone that has certification, they've had training, formal training, they follow the standards, they're neat, they're clean, they speak well, and most importantly, they care. I think those are really important attributes that a homeowner should be looking for.
Well, thank you. There you have it.
It's been a real pleasure working with you guys in your company.
Yeah, you currently teach, right?
Yes, I teach water damage schools. Now I teach some live stream. In fact, Alexander, who's filming this, just finished the school and did quite well on his exam. Very proud of him, and very proud of this man as well.
Thank you. Thank you very. Thank you so much for your time.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Thank you so much for being part of the industry. Thank you.
Thank you.